Hi everybody, it's time for you and Timothy. 今と Timothy の時間が参りました。Today we would like to provide you about Perplexity Deep Research. で、今日は Perplexity の、検索の方法についてちょっといろいろとお話ししたいと思っています。で、recently, many service provider provides new research systems. で、最近いろんな各社が新しい検索のやり方を提供しているので、ちょっとそれについて調べてみました。今、Are you ready to start?
Yes, Kimoto-san.
Okay. Okay, じゃあ、let's begin.
Hi. Very good morning, everyone, and welcome back to our Yuva and Kimoti's weekly Sunday live session where we discuss the latest AI factors. 皆さんおはようございます。毎週日曜日のユバとキモティのライブセッションへようこそ。今日も最新の AI 技術、ツールについてお話しします。Well, today we are diving into Perplexity Deep Research and seeing how it actually stacks up against ChatGPT and Google Gemini. So, ever wish research could be faster, smarter, and more structured? You are actually in the right place, so let's get into it. 本日は Perplexity Deep Research について詳しくご紹介し、さらに ChatGPT や Google Gemini と比較しながら、どの AI リサーチツールが最も優れているのかを検証してまいります。もっと早く、もっと賢く、もっと効率的にリサーチができたらいいなと思ったことはありませんか？本日の内容はそんな皆様にぴったりです。それでは早速始めてまいりましょう。Okay, so what is this Perplexity Deep Research? Alright, so picture this. Okay, you are working on a report, researching a new topic, or just trying to learn something quickly. But normally you'd spend hours Googling, reading articles, fact-checking, and organizing notes. But this Perplexity Deep Research does all of that in just minutes. Perplexity Deep Research は皆様はリポートを作成したり、新しいテーマについて調査をしたり、多くの時間をかけて検索をし、記事、アーティカルを読み、情報を整理し、正しいかどうか確認するという経験をされたことがあるかと思います。しかし、Perplexity Deep Research を活用すれば、そうした作業がわずか数分で完了いたします。木本さん、ここまで大丈夫ですか？
はい、OK.
Okay, let's see how it works. Yeah, I would like to show you this. It actually could search such as multiple sources, so not just a few dozens. It actually filters out irrelevant information and keeps the best insights and organizes everything into a clear, structured report and lets you export and share the report as a PDF document. But is it actually the best AI tool for research? Let's find it out. Okay, Perplexity は以下のようなプロセスでリサーチを行います。複数の情報源を検索し、公正な情報を収集します。不要な情報を取り除き、有益な情報だけを整理します。整理した情報を分かりやすいリポートにまとめます。最後はPDF やドキュメント形式でエクスポート 共有も簡単にできます。ですが、本当に最も優れた AI リサーチツールツールなのか、それを確認するために他のツールと比較してみます。Okay, so Perplexity actually isn't the only AI research tool out there. There are ChatGPT and Google Gemini also have deep research features. Okay, but the pricing. Let's focus the pricing first. Actually, for Perplexity, we could use this deep research for free and with more features for pro users. And ChatGPT and Gemini actually requires pro accounts. So per month it costs about 20 USD dollars. Okay, and the Gemini actually can be tried for free by adding a cart during the free trial. Okay, so since Gemini's paid plan is a little expensive, so I actually compared Perplexity and ChatGPT directly and will show you a video for Gemini while explaining it in my own words. Okay, so let's jump into the comparison. どのツールが最低限なのか、Perplexity 以外にも ChatGPT や Google Gemini にはディープリサーチ機能がございます。まずは料金、Perplexity は、Perplexity のディープリサーチは無料でご利用いただけます。でも、プロユーザーさん向けの追加機能もございます。ChatGPT や Gemini、有料プランがあります。月額は20ドルのご購入が必要です。Gemini はクレディットカードを登録すると無料トライアルを利用いただけます。だから今回は Perplexity と ChatGPT を直接比較し、Gemini については別な動画を使って説明いたします。Okay, so let's check the prompt that we are going to use for our demonstration, our today's demonstration. Okay, so this is the prompt, the research prompt actually I used. I am researching the supermarket and grocery industry in Japan, so please conduct deep research and provide a structured report. 今日の使用したリサーチプロンプは、日本のスーパーマーケット、食料品業界についてリサーチをお願いいたして、リポートを作成してください。と、入力します。Okay, so let's watch this video. I'm going to show you this, how it works. Okay, so this is the Perplexity, and you have to select the deep research mode, and then you have to type the prompt, and then just hit go. はい、ディープリサーチのモードを選択し、プロンプトを入力して、Okay, and here it shows that it will take a few minutes, and we can choose to notify me to get notified, and it is still researching. Okay, ここでは数分かかることが表示されていて、通知を受け取ることもできます。notify me の。まだリサーチを続けていますので、I will move to ChatGPT now. So it is still researching. I will move to ChatGPT now. So same process actually. では ChatGPT に移動します。Okay, so the same process, the deep research and hit go. Okay? 同じようにディープリサーチを選んで Go します。押します。 Okay, so here it is actually listing some aspects that it will cover. I could add more, but I'm going to ask you to continue. 調査するは、これちょっと調査するポイントがいくつかリストアップされました。追加もできますが、とりあえずざっくりさせます。Okay, so it has started. I will type continue now. Okay, so good. It has started the researching and will take a few minutes. So let's go back to Perplexity now. よし、リサーチが始まりましたので、完了まで数分かかります。だから、Perplexity に戻りましょう。Okay, so here, let's see what it has covered. So it actually has covered the market structure, the trends, traditional Japanese supermarket experience. Wow, so many things. And then the rise of online grocery shopping, COVID-19 impacts, traditional marketing, and the future outlook. 市場構造、トレンド、COVID-19 の影響、伝統市場、将来展望を詳しく調査しました。So super well structured, and actually we could export this to a PDF file. 整理されたリポートは PDF としてエクスポートできます。So let me show you this part. Okay, export as PDF. And it actually has used 55.6 sources or well researched. 56の情報源を使用し、8ページの詳細リポートを作成しました。So it actually has completed 8-page detailed report. And my thoughts actually, I was impressed. It is actually super detailed before we go to the ChatGPT. Okay, so super detailed and straight to the point. 感想は、その Perplexity のリポートは内容が深くて、構成が整っており、非常にわかりやすいリポートでした。Okay, now moving on to ChatGPT. Okay, so as you can see, it has used 25 sources. 25の情報源を使用して調査しました。And the report was completely different from Perplexity. Perplexity とは異なる視点でリポートを作成します。So it actually focused on the market size, the consumer behavior, e-commerce trends, and regulatory impacts. So 市場規模、消費者行動、e-commerce トレンド、規制の影響を重視。My thoughts actually on this depends on your preferences and research needs. Some may prefer ChatGPT the broader approach. 感想は ChatGPT についてトピックによっては ChatGPT の方が適している場合もあります。幅広い情報を得たい方には良い選択です。Okay, so next, let's moving on to Google Gemini. So since I didn't have that, I didn't test this live. So let's check a video and I'm going to review it and break it down. Okay, let's watch the video. A short video.
Hi, I'm Arush, product manager for Deep Research. It's a
聞こえますか？木本さん。
new feature in Gemini that can iteratively browse the web, analyze a whole bunch of sources. versus on your behalf. We think it's a really cool feature that can help speed up how you approach your in-depth research projects. So let's say I'm trying to learn more about the long-term effects of remote work on urban development. This is a pretty complex topic that requires analyzing a variety of different perspectives. When I bring this query to Deep Research, its first step is that it's actually going to go ahead and put together a research plan for how it's going to try and answer this question. So as you can see, it's going to do things like try and find research papers and articles on the impact of remote work, studies on the long-term effects. It's going to try and look at case studies for cities that have experienced significant changes, and even look into expert opinions and predictions on the future of urban development. At any point, you can actually hit edit plan and give Gemini feedback if you want to steer it in a certain direction. Maybe there are steps you don't care about or additional things you want it to look into. But for now, let's go ahead and hit start research. Gemini is going to begin browsing the web and pulling together information based on that research plan that it showed you. As it browses, it's going to actually reason over what it finds in order to determine what to search for next. In the UI, we'll show you the sites that it's reading at that point, as well as a count for how many sites it's read in total. As you can see, this is a pretty diverse list of sources. A lot of it is actually stuff that I may not have been able to find on my own. And I don't know about you, but reading this much stuff would have certainly taken me hours. So as you can see, Gemini's put together this pretty comprehensive report on things like the impact to urban populations, changes in housing and commercial real estate, and it's even pulled together case studies for cities that have been affected by remote work. Gemini has actually included sources throughout this report that make it really easy for you to dive deeper into the underlying material that was used to inform this report. We're really excited for how people might use this to save them time and get up to speed fast on new topics. Go to the model dropdown and select.
Okay, great. So this one actually, okay, so this one, the Google Gemini actually creates a research plan before searching for information, same like ChatGPT. Research plan を作成した上で情報を収集します。And it also analyzes multiple sources like including expert opinions and case studies. 専門家の意見やケーススタディを活用します。And then summarizes findings with links to sources for easy verification. 結果をまとめ情報源のリンクとともに提供します。And it also helps users edit the research plan to prioritize what matters most. So research plan のカスタマイゼーションが可能です。So this feature, Google Gemini's feature, saves hours of manual work and make research faster and more reliable. So Gemini はresearch の方向性を事前に設定できるのが特徴です。And the result. So which AI tool was the best? So for me, in my personal opinion, okay, this is my personal opinion. So Perplexity was the most comprehensive, not because it was the longest or free, but because it was well organized, straight to the point, and easy to use. Okay. どの AI リサーチツールが最も優れていたのでしょうか。私の印象で私の印象ではPerplexity が最も包括的でした。理由はリポートの長さではなく情報が整理され、要点が明確で使いやすかったからです。Okay, and then the next part, so how to use the Perplexity in the right way. So now we know that Perplexity is powerful, so I'm going to talk about how we could use it effectively. So Perplexity, no. Okay, yes. Okay. Okay, please. Am I finish this? Okay, I'm going to finish this. Okay, baby, good day, play, mother. Okay, so back to this. So Perplexity の優れた性能が分かったところで、効果的な活用方法をご紹介します。Okay. Okay, the first one is that we have to start with a clear, specific question. So instead of just telling the Perplexity, tell me about AI in a simple word. So you have to ask the Perplexity or any AI model. So what are the latest advancements in self-driving technology? 質問は明確かつ具体的に AI について教えてではなく自動運転技術の最新の進展はのように具体的に質問しましょう。And then number two, this is very important. You have to turn off your social media off. So unless it is needed. So if social media, if it is on, up to 70% of sources might be from Reddit. So while Reddit has great insights, it's not always the best for academic or business research. Okay, and then the third one, social media は必要に応じてオフにオンのままだと情報源の70%が Reddit になることもあります。Reddit は有益な情報もありますが、学術やビジネスリサーチには適載しない場合もあります。Okay, and then number three, you have to break the big topics into smaller research queries. If your question is too broad, so you have to split it into subtopics for better accuracy. 大きなテーマは細かく分けて検索。質問が広範に過ぎる場合は、いくつかのサブトピックに分けて調査する正確な結果が得られます。And then the last one, okay, just a moment, give me a second.
I think number two, turn off social model. That's very important for us to research our interest. で、2番目のソーシャルモードをオンオフするっていうのはとても大事で、ソーシャルモードをオンにすると、すごくノイジーになってくるんで、そこはまあ、必要に応じてオンオフを切り替えたらいいと思ってます。OK, いいわ。
So sorry. Okay. And then the last one. So we
Okay,
have
go
to
ahead, please.
always pause to check the important information. Because the AI is not the perfect, always verify the critical data before using it in professional or academic work. 重要な情報は必ず事実確認を。AI も完璧ではありません。だから重要なデータは必ず再確認し、正確性を確認した上で活用しましょう。Okay, so I would like to skip this part actually. この部分は省略させていただきます。And then let's move on to the last part. So the wrap up. Okay, the final thoughts. Okay, AI research tools are powerful, but fact checking is crucial. So Perplexity, it is actually great for fast structured report, but choose the sources wisely. Better prompts to get a better research results. So want to try it out? Head over to this perplexity.ai and test it for yourself. まとめ、Perplexity は整理されたレポートを作成が得意。目的に応じて AI リサーチツールが使い分けるのが重要です。AI の結果は必ず確認し、慎重に活用することも必要です。ぜひ Perplexity AI をお試しください。はい、so I think Himoto-san, that's all for today from my side. Do you have any comments?
Okay. Yuba,
Yes,
please pronounce the Keiken. Keiken. Japanese means Keiken, experience. Pronounce again, Keiken. I think it's a little bit difficult for you to pronounce Keiken in Japanese.
Yeah, I made a mistake again. Sorry.
So 経験はちょっと言いにくかったな。No problem. Okay, Eva,
Sure.
thank you for your presentation today. You had your
Thank you. So thank you for joining today's
okay.
session.
Hi
And you say
everyone. Thank you.
hi.
See you. Goodbye.